Ingress is an augmented reality AR mobile game developed by Niantic, the same company behind Pokemon Go. It was first released in 2012, long before Pokemon Go, and has since gained a dedicated following of players around the world. The game revolves around the concept of two factions, the Enlightened, which are usually green, and the Resistance, which are usually blue, battling for control over portals that are typically located at landmarks, public buildings, or points of interest in the real world. Over the many years of its existence, it has developed many communities of both Enlightened and Resistance members. The goal of Ingress players is to actively participate in the game's ongoing narrative, engage in strategic gameplay, collaborate with fellow faction members, and the like, but most importantly, contribute to their faction's success in the global struggle for control over exotic matter, XM, and the fate of humanity. Hey everyone, this is Francisco from Wondershare Dr.Fone, and today I will be presenting to you the best solution to your regional restrictions in Ingress Prime. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. Like always, we're just going to jump right into the main solution to your location issues in Ingress Prime, that being Wondershare Dr.Fone Virtual Location. The software is designed for all of your mobile needs, from transferring data between devices, backing up all of your phone's information, unlocking your screen if it's locked, to even spoofing your location. And it is available for use on both Windows and Mac, and is compatible with both Android and iOS. Virtual location will allow you to directly input any location in the world and force your phone to simulate that location. It even offers methods of moving between locations, including simulating walking between different places so that you can discover new treasure without having to teleport between locations, although teleportation is also available. But this is especially useful because you can't start off in one location after teleporting there. Afterwards, you can set a route for you to walk along, and it will do the walking for you, which will help in dodging issues within the app and avoid detection further. But also, walking around this way will keep you in the safety of your home while still advancing the agenda of whatever faction you favor. Here's how you can use Dr.Fone Virtual Location to fake your location and start collecting tons of exotic matter from anywhere. First, connect your phone to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Then download and install Wondershare Dr.Fone using the link in the description. Once installed, open the software and access the Toolbox tab. Then just go ahead and select the Virtual Location module from the main screen. Then click on Get Started. Then from the main interface, you can select whether you want to teleport from location to location or walk between locations. You can also adjust the speed at which you move between locations by using the tabs at the bottom of the screen in this same window. Then type in the location which you would like to travel to in the search bar, then select it. The map will move you over to that location, and then you just press move here to instantly switch locations. And it's really that easy. Now you can access Ingress Prime from your phone while it is plugged in and enjoy collecting tons of exotic matter from your seat while advancing the narrative of your faction. Part 2. Tips for collecting exotic matter. Now, since you're going to be doing lots of XM collecting from home, it is important to note some tips that can really come in handy when in search of XM to further advance the narrative of your faction. Follow the steps that I will present you right now to maximize your time in this game. Visit portals. Portals are major sources of XM in Ingress Prime. When you're near a portal, you'll often find clusters of XM surrounding it. Visit portals regularly to collect XM and interact with them for other in-game actions as well. Recharge portals. Recharging portals that belong to your faction not only helps maintain their integrity, but also rewards you with XM. Use the recharge action on portals within your scanner range to replenish their XM reserves and receive a small amount of XM in return. Use XM boost. Certain items in Ingress Prime, such as quantum capsules and SoftBank Ultralinks, can be used to boost XM production in specific areas or increase the XM yield from actions like hacking or recharging. Utilize these items strategically to enhance your XM collection efforts. Plan efficient routes. When planning your gameplay sessions, consider mapping out efficient routes and take you through areas with high XM concentrations. Prioritize areas with multiple portals and clusters of XM to optimize your XM collection. Participate in XM anomaly events. XM anomaly events in Ingress Prime often feature increased XM densities in specific areas, making them ideal opportunities to collect large amounts of XM. So so keep an eye on event announcements and participate in exam anomaly events to boost your exam reserves. Thank you so much for supporting our channel, like usual, and if you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and comment any of your thoughts down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Until next time, have a great day.